Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple 3D logo. If you don't know how to make a 3D logo, I suggest you stick around because I'm going to make this video very short and interesting. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. First thing first, we want to type in the letters we want to use for the logo. And then we increase the size. Change the font. Change the color of the letters to the one you wish. I'll go with this. Then go to stroke, neighborhood. Read the text. Embossed. .3D shadow. Reflection. And go ahead and change the color of the background. And that's about it. A very simple 3D logo. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, please like and comment below, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button.